Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have a nail art haul for you guys. So I've got quite a few nail art and just nail supplies in recently. So I thought I'd go ahead and do a video for you guys and let you see all the new things that I have gotten. So I'm really excited to get into this. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to share with you guys is my new lamp. I've had it in for I think about a month, but you can see I already got gel all over it. But I did get the Young Nails lamp. This one is LED and UV. Let me turn it around. These are the buttons in the back. We have a 10-second, a 30-second, a 60-second, and then a 99-second with double power and low heat modes. And it has a nice timer. It's kind of big to get it all in the frame, but this is what it looks like on the inside. You do have to plug it in the back. What I do like about this one is it does have the timer right on top so you can keep track of it, but this pad underneath is censored. So when someone puts their hand in and you do have to touch the bottom, it turns on automatically, and then you can press the timer buttons if you need to time it for a certain amount. But this is really nice for just flash curing. Just flash cure, take it out, and so far I'm really liking this one. If you guys want any more information about this, just let me know. But yeah, so far I am really enjoying it. Okay, the next few things I got are from Amazon. So I did want to stock up on a couple more colors. So I got 3 colors of Swarovski Crystals. This one here is Black Diamond, which I already have, but I was running low on, and I really like these ones, especially for like Halloween. But I really wanted to stock up on these ones, so got some more. These 2 are new colors to me. I really wanted a lighter purple, so this one is Tanzanite. It is a nice lighter purple. I really wanted like a lilac, like a super light, but they didn't have any in like a mixed bag, so I didn't get any, but I did get these ones. And then I did want a lighter green. This will be good for like spring and summer. So this one is Peridot. Super pretty. So just a couple new crystal colors to try. And the other thing I got from Amazon, and if I can find links, I will leave links for everything down below. But I did get a new Efile. This one is the Mccart Efile, and I thought about this for a long time because my Efile is starting to go out. I was really debating if I do the Young Nails one because it matches the rest of my system, or if I do the Cura Sky one, which is really pretty, or, I mean, there's so many different ones, and I couldn't choose, and they are a little bit pricey, and I do stand for, you know, putting a good investment in, which is why I bought the Young Nails lamp. But for Efile, I just couldn't get myself to buy a super expensive one. So I ordered this one off of Amazon. Again, it's from Mccart. If anyone's familiar with like nail art supplies from Amazon, you probably recognize Mccart. I've used a lot of their brushes, a lot of different like tools, and like nail art I've used from them. Their nail glue is good. So everything I've tried from them has been really good quality. So I thought I'd go ahead and try the Efile. I have not opened this up, so let's see what it all came with. It looks like right away we got some drill bits. So this one I know is used to put like the sanding bits on them. This one, I'm not too sure what this bit is used for. If anyone knows what this is used for, please let me know. But maybe there might be information in here that'll tell me. This one I believe would be a cuticle one. This one probably another thinner cuticle one. And then it looks like a ceramic bit. So I'm excited to try some of these out. That's cool that it came with like a variety pack. Getting in here, let's see, that's the little bit that holds the file in place. Here's the power cord for it. Oh, it has a cute little stand for it. And here it is. It is pink. I would have chosen like white or purple or black if they had it, but I think they only came in the one color. So there's the plug for it. Forward and reverse. Charging. Oh, so you might be able to do it. You might not have to have it plugged in all the time. And then the speed. Oh yeah, look, it's already on. That's cool. I didn't realize it was cordless, that you could charge it. Efile part, the handheld part. So let me put this together and I'll come back. Okay, here it is. So you plug this guy in the front, and this is like a silicone like grip on it, which is kind of nice. And this is silicone down here too. And that makes a kind of nice grip. And so it does have this bit, which you can put on this side here, snap it in. You can also do it on the other side as well. But it did come with like a little stand like this. So I think I'm going to use the stand. My old Efile, this thing you can like raise like to point up. But this one is just straight down. So I think I'm going to use this guy here. But I have not tried it. You saw me, I just unboxed it. This is my first time opening it, seeing it. If you guys want an update on how I'm liking this Efile, definitely let me know down below. The other reason why I wanted to try this out is I do have a lot of followers who want to get nail art supplies and tools, but they're not professionally licensed, and so they don't have access to a lot of the products that I do. So I wanted to try one that was just from Amazon. Mccart I'm familiar with, so I wanted to try this one, and if I like it, I'll definitely let you guys know, so that way you could pick it up for your at-home nails as well. Next in, I actually got some Efile Bits. These are from Erica's, and I was not familiar with them, but I really wanted to get some new like high quality drill bits, and I believe, I want to say it was Nails by Katie Dutra that I had seen her talk about these. If it wasn't her, I will write the person that I did find them through up here. Shout out to both of them, either way. But I wanted to try some new ones, so I did place an order. They are a bit pricey, at least compared to the drill bits that I have purchased. But again, I do like high quality things, which is funny that I just bought high quality bits, but Amazon Efile, but it's fine. So I got a good carbide bit. I believe this is a medium grit. I'm very excited to try that out. Mine I had gotten was from my local supply shop, and it did really well, but I could tell it's starting to dull. Then here is a little cuticle bit. It came with 2 of these. My old cuticle bit, again, is, I could tell, is getting dull, but mine is a circle. Let me pull it out. So this is mine that I have been using. It is a circle. This one is Whoa. This one is more pointed, so you can really get it in and around all the corners and really get in there. So it came with two of them. I have the other one in my Efile because I was playing around with it. So far, I'm really liking it. Again, if you want updates on any of these products, do let me know. So it came with, this was a 2-pack. And then this one, I was super interested in. This one's the polisher. And it is dirty because I was trying to play around with it. But it's meant for like the skin to go around and like polish and smooth everything out up here. I didn't have too much to like really smooth out, so I'm curious to try this out, and I definitely want to like see if I could look up some videos on how to use it properly as well. But I'm super excited to try this. They had tons of different bits. It was really hard to like choose which ones to get, but I definitely wanted to get some good cuticle ones and then a good one to get down all of the color. So excited to try those out. And last but not least, I got in an order from Clear Jelly Stamper. So I did get a pack of 2 of the replacement heads for the Big Bling Stamper. I love my Big Bling clear stamper, so I got some new heads for it. With my pointy nails, when I'm stamping, sometimes the point digs into it and it will pierce it, so it's good to have some new ones. I did pick up some new plates I'm really excited for. I really wanted a new floral plate. The one I have is Rose's Floral Garden, which is Talia's plate, or one of her plates. And I love that one, but I really wanted a variety of different florals, so I did pick up this one. This is CGS 82, and I will put the actual names of the plates on here. But here is what it is. And again, they are the layered plates, but it's got tons of florals and leaves, and they're different from the other ones I have. So I'm super excited to try this out. The next one I picked up is CGS 178, and this is a lace plate. I've been really wanting a lace plate because the lace is super easy to add on as an accent nail. And I really love like these ones here. You do have like the full image, but there are like pieces that you could put together. So really excited to try this one out. And then I did want to get a summer plate, so I got the Hawaiian plate. This is CGS 129. It's got lots of different sayings, the tikis, pineapple, sunset, beach scenes. We got some hula girls, some good florals, the leaves. So it is mostly, I mean, it is Hawaiian themed, but there are bits and pieces in here that you can use for just like ocean and vacation nails too. So I thought I would go ahead and get this plate for summer. And the last plate I got is CGS number 62, and it is an American plate. If you guys know me, you know I love the 4th of July. It is my favorite holiday, so I did want to get a 4th of July plate. I love the layering effect of like the stripes and the stars here, and this one is a cool pattern, some fireworks, the flags, Statue of Liberty. This one's a cool design. So this will be so fun to play with. You'll definitely see this coming around for 4th of July. So excited to try this out. So those were the 4 plates I got. And then I did buy a bunch of stamping polishes. So I got 3 large ones, the white, black, and then the gold. This one, black is number 1, white is number 2. This one is number 51. I believe this is Bring on the Bubbly, I think is what it's called. I already had the yellow gold, and yellow gold just, I don't reach for the yellow golds very often, so I wanted more of like a champagne gold. And then I did get it in a big bottle, and then I got quite a few small ones. I think I got 6. Yes, I got 6 small ones, so I'll go through them. This is number 10, which is a bright, it's like a medium blue. It's showing up more bright in the camera, but it is more of like a medium blue in real life. This one's number 5. This one is a pretty bright pink. Number 22, an orange. Number 72 is this nice teal, like aqua type of color. Number 9 is a red, just a basic red. And number 8 is a light yellow shade. And these were the ones that I already had. So I already had a white, but I do use this one quite a bit, so I went ahead and bought a big one. I already had the silver. I had a purple, and then I had 2 greens to do florals with. So I kind of got colors that filled in the rest of the rainbow here. So now I really have a good variety. And if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I use a lot of the Insta-Dry Sally Hansen polishes for my stamping. And most of them do fairly well. They don't stand up to the pigment of the clear jelly stamping polishes. They don't. I had a bunch of these, so I used them because I had them. And if you don't have the money to spend on these polishes, because I mean they are more pricey, I'd say you can use these, definitely, but I felt it was time for me to actually invest in some more colors and really try to use these. So definitely, if you can afford these, or if you need a certain color and you don't have time to do an order through them, I do recommend the Insta-Dries. I've tried other regular polish brands, China Glaze, OPI, and none of them stamp really well. These are the only ones that I found stamp fairly good. Still not as high quality as the clear jelly stamper, but they're at least closer than a lot of other colors, because these ones are high pigmented, the Insta-Dries. Alright guys, so that was it for today's little haul, but I had got quite a few things in. I had got quite a big order from Clear Jelly Stamper, and then I got some bigger items like my lamp and my e-file, so I figured I'd go ahead and share it with you guys. If you guys want any more information on anything that I have purchased, definitely let me know. Or if you want me to do a video focusing on something, let me know as well. I will leave links for as many things as I can down below. And make sure you guys are subscribed, because I do have the Light Elegance Summer Collection coming in the mail. It's gonna be here any day now, and I will get that video up for you guys as soon as I can. So make sure you're subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing nail hauls, nail art hauls, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.